Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make Oreo cake from Oreo biscuit. So let's start. I have used 4 big Oreo packets to make this cake. You can use small packets also as your requirement. So first crush the Oreo biscuit into pieces and put in your mixie jar. Grind it well with your mixie till it becomes powder. Grind it for 5 to 10 seconds nicely. Check it once if it is powdered or not. If it's not, grind it again till it becomes powdery. Now transfer your powdered Oreo biscuit to a plastic container. Transfer the powder to a larger container so that it becomes easy to make the batter and to mix. Now take milk in a cup and pour slowly, little by little, to the container and mix it well using a whisker or a spoon. Pour the milk little by little till it becomes smooth. Now put a teaspoon of baking powder or Eno to the batter. Now see this batter. The batter should be smooth like this. Till it becomes smooth, pour little by little milk and mix it well to get more smooth, nice batter. How much the batter becomes nice, the cake will be softer. Now I am putting 5 spoons of sugar powder. I have made it a powder using a mixie. You can put a direct sugar while grinding the biscuit. Now mix it well again using a whisker or a spoon. I am putting some cashew nuts to this batter. You can put fully or crushed. I have crushed it little bit. And now mix it well with the batter. After mixing the batter to 2 to 5 minutes, we have gained like this consistency. Now the batter looks fine. So let us transfer this batter to a microwavable container. I am using a little ghee. You can use dust powder or maida so that the cake comes nicely when we remove from the container. Spread it well to the sides of the container. Now our container is ready for putting the batter. Now pour the batter to the container. Now shake the container well to remove the air gaps from the batter. Now keep your container with the batter in the microwave. Bake the batter up to 5 minutes in the microwave oven. Check the cake if it's baked or not. If it's baked, remove it from the microwave. I think it's baked. It was not baked one side, so I kept it again in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now we'll continue another part of the cake. Take 3 dairy milks. Remove the dairy milk from the packet. I have used 1 big packet of dairy milk and 2 small packets of dairy milk. You can use 3 big packets or 3 small packets as your requirement, and put it in a bowl and keep it in a microwave and melt it. I have kept it for 1 minute. Then using milk and melted chocolate, I have mixed it both and made it like chocolate syrup. Now pour this chocolate syrup on your ready cake. Then spread it nicely on the top of the cake. After spreading the syrup nicely, our cake is ready to eat and serve. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this and other videos. So thank you.